Elmer Nah, the former police corporal who is charged with the murders of brothers John and David Ramnarace and John's wife, Vivian Ramnarace, will have to wait until December 15th to hear whether his case will be committed for trial in the High Court. Today, the preliminary inquiry that would have determined that eventuality was deferred until December 15th. Our understanding is that Terrence Williams, the special prosecutor assigned to the case, was on his way to Belize for the PI, but a family member had a medical emergency and he had to return to Jamaica, where he lives. Upon his arrival outside the courthouse, a member of the Ramnarace family who had gathered outside the court building called out for justice for her 3 deceased relatives, as Nah insisted that the gunman captured on surveillance video running into the yard and shooting the family was not him. The Ramnarace family delegated Dion Pascascio to speak with the media. He explained the reason for the adjournment and said delays always have an effect on them.
The last time when we were here, they had appointed a special prosecutor, and he's from out of Jamaica. And so he was coming for the court date for today, but he had a family emergency, so he was already en route to Belize and was in Miami, we were made to understand. And when he got the phone call of a serious nature of a family member, and so he had to return to Jamaica. And so the new date set is for the 15th of December. We're here, and everybody is, we're looking forward to see this case move forward. We want to see we get past this stage for it to be able to, for us to get to the point where we'll be, see it's being referred to the Supreme Court and for the actual trial to begin. And so right now, this is just prolonging all the anxieties and everything. And so it's taking a toll on the family where that is concerned.
Pascascio says that coping with such a loss has been hard for the families.
It's been extremely difficult for all family members, especially the brothers for the Ramnarace brothers. I know they've been somewhat difficult on them. And for us, the loss of Vivian, and because of the fact that the brothers were very close to family as well. And there's a daily reminder of a 5-year-old child who's left without both parents, and I'm going through every daily routine at school and everything, and the grandparents having to, and the other family members having to take up that slack.
As the time draws nearer to New Year's Eve, Pascascio says that the Belize and Ramnarace families are anxious about the 1-year anniversary of the deaths of their loved ones. It conjures terrible memories of what happened at their residence in Belmopan.
As a family, we're dreading that 31st of December, spending some time together in memory of them and everything, but it's going to be a difficult time for the family.
Both families have retained the services of attorney Arthur Saldivar to give them legal advice as the case progresses. Saldivar, however, was out of the country for today's adjournment. Reporting for News 5, I'm Marion Ali.